That did not work. 3-hour life updates. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Yes. I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but I randomly just got the inspiration to. 6:50, and I'm about to do Sydney Cummings' legs and abs workout. 45 minutes. All I do is whatever workout she posts every day. Yeah, it should be good. I have some life updates I want to fill you guys in on. I have a pretty productive day, I would say. And yeah, I just feel like I haven't really talked to you guys and filled you in on my life of what's going on. And I don't know, I feel like we're disconnected. So we're gonna vlog. I'm gonna fill you guys all in. I have some changes. I have some new routines I gotta do. And yeah. Maybe I need a self tan too. I'm just wearing this little fit Lulu Aligns Lulu Energy Bra. These are just like the small ones with this back. I just like, I don't know, I just like tiny boys bras. And my Vans. I always work out in these. I don't know why. But yes, we are going to get this workout. Oh, I don't know if I showed you this in a vlog or not, but I got this little sticker and it says "You are enough," because looking in the mirror is kind of a struggle, and then at least when I look in the mirror I get an affirmation. I think it's cute, plus it just like kind of looks cute. My dad fully thought I wrote this out. I was like, Dad, you think I can write this pretty? Absolutely not. There's a sticker, and I will link down below the Etsy shop I got it from. Super cute girl, super small business. She literally like hand wrote it out on a card. It was so nice. So yeah, you guys should get one. You can customize it and everything. So let's do this workout. Time to shower. 8 a.m. I'm all clean and did my skincare. Now I'm going to make my smoothie, which should be delicious. I'm just gonna set up whatever YouTube video I want to watch while I eat.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds.
Okay, so it's now 8:50. I'm just getting ready for my walk with Mom. I didn't plan this out because my hair's still kind of wet, so we're just gonna really conceal that. But I'm all bundled and ready to walk. It's snowy out, so I'm gonna go do that. I have a few errands I think Mom and I are gonna run this morning as well. I have class at 2:30. Yeah, all the things, and then I need to sit down and update you guys on my life. So just gonna brush my teeth and go on my walk. I'm surprised I don't have blueberry all over me. That always happens after I have my smoothie. Back from my walk, and I just threw on this scarf. And Mom and I are going to quickly run to the drugstore, the grocery store, and Dollarama. It's 9:30 now. That's how you really feel. Just got home. Mom is cracking into bowls.
It's a good time.
I'm not gonna play with Cashew's food. I'm gonna blend a bunch of oats and make all oat flour pre-made because I don't know why I've never thought to do that in the first place. Would have made my life a lot easier. 1 second.
My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day.
Oat flour is all prepped. Now I'm gonna fix this mop on my head.
Feels like
I'm just editing my video. It's 12:20 now, and I'm starting to get hungry. So I'm gonna go make some lunch.
I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else.
Wow, guys, it has been such a busy day. It's now 2. I just finished my reading. I read a chapter of law, and then I have law class in 20 minutes. And yeah, I like finished my editing my video. It's got 5 minutes left and then it'll be uploaded. Ran my errands. Like, it's just been a busy day, but I've done it all. So while I'm waiting for my class to start, I thought I would do my little life update since I just feel like we need a talk. I basically, I didn't vlog all last week, which is not really like me. Normally I like to vlog, you know, at least a day, or I sometimes do week in my lives or daily vlogs just to, you know, keep you guys connected and updated. But I was having a really, really hard week, and I tried vlogging so many times last week, and they were just, I could not. I was just going through it, and I couldn't go into it, and I was just not ready to talk about it yet. And now I feel like I wanna keep, I was basically, as you can tell, this is hard for me to talk about. I was debating if I wanted to be open and post this online about what I'm doing and what I'm going through, but I know that I would like this, and the YouTubers I watch, if they were going through it, I would appreciate if they talked about it and posted about it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna come out right now and say it that I just started a therapy/recovery treatment for my eating disorder, my negative thoughts, my body image issues, my whole mindset with food, confidence, working out, and body image. You guys know, I in no means, you know, like I eat, but I have so many set rules, and I'm consistently thinking about food, not in a good way, and I feel so much guilt all the time. And I'm just, every time I look in the mirror, I want to like break down. I've just gotten to such a low place with my confidence and self-love. I don't have any right now, and it's been like this for a while, but it's gotten really, really bad. So I finally asked for help, which I think is totally normal and good. If you feel like you're really low, ask for help. When I went to my mom, she was like, yeah, I think that's a great idea. My best friend luckily understands everything I'm going through and has gone through it, so she referred me to the place I'm with now. But in doing this, you know, I have to go through a lot of hard things. Like right now, I have to track everything I eat, which makes me think about it. Food and myself even more, but in doing that, I'm gonna heal. So I want to be open with my experience and the things I'm going through and the changes I'm sure I'm gonna have to make on my channel for you guys, for me to look back on, just to see my growth. So this week right now, I've had 2 sessions. I have to change up my routine, which, you know, this is my first day doing it, and it's already been like super hard. I'm a really routine oriented person. I have to start incorporating 2 snacks a day. I have to eat 1 in the afternoon and 1 at like night, and night eating is always kind of scary for me. I have to eat earlier in the day, since I guess I tend to have really big time spans, which cuts up my morning. I have to plan all my meals before, like say the morning of or the day the night before. So it's just like a lot. Yeah, so today, now I have to start eating my meals by 8 a.m. around that time, which is normally when I'd walk. So now I have to do either my walks later in the day or not at all, which is sad. I really enjoy my walks. And I have to eat my lunch between 12 to 1, which normally I didn't as well. I never ever snack, so I have to incorporate a snack in the afternoon, which I think that one will be okay. And then dinner is fine, and it's the snack at night that's gonna get to me. That's definitely changing it up a bit, but I know it's gonna help me. So that's the update on that. I want to be completely truthful for when I'm feeling down, feeling good, anxious, overwhelmed, so you guys can live through it and see what I'm going through. But sorry, my computer is literally so loud. Does your computers do this? Like when I'm uploading, it literally sounds like an airplane's taking off. But that's what's been going on. That's the life update. Sorry I had that week hiatus. I just really needed a week to collect my thoughts because I got so negative and down. And I don't want this week to be like that. I want to, you know, feel better. So yes, that is what is up. And this new routine we are going to be documenting, and I'm sure I'll get used to it and love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab my laundry and fold it and put it away. Since I have class in 20 minutes, and then we'll sit here for 3 hours learning about the Canadian law. Luckily she ended early, so it's 4. So So it was only an hour and a half, but I just grabbed a little snack with some carrots and crackers and hummus. I'm gonna chill for a little bit, then I'm gonna probably work on law a little. I have live at 5:30, but for now I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and relax. All right guys, package just came. I ordered it off of Amazon. Oh, see, there's Alexa telling me. And complete shout out to Alana. Like most of the decisions I make are influenced by her. It's castor oil because apparently that's really good for your eyelash growth. So it's just a little bottle of it, and then it came with a spoolie and a little brush. Whoa. All right guys, it's now 5:26. I'm about to do live. I'm just wearing the same thing I always wear. I literally only wear these sports bras and I just have them in a bunch of colors. So I'm gonna do this, it's 45 minutes, and then my grandma's coming over for dinner. So I'm actually doing this while my grandma's like gonna be upstairs, but it's fine, so yeah. Abs and arms, baby. My grandma came over for dinner, so I just enjoyed that with her. Liv was so good. I missed her amazing little face so much, so definitely gonna try to incorporate her more into my routine. Yeah, we had chili. I made my mom and my grandma a little like single serve brownie, which is really yummy. And now I'm going to head to bed, but I think I'm going to continue this vlog tomorrow. All I'm doing tomorrow is school, so see you then.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for.
Good morning guys, it's currently 7:57. I have a quiz at 8 a.m. I did a Sydney Cummings HIIT workout. I honestly was just so not in the mood to work out, and I'm having such a bad body day. So that workout was definitely not good. Put me in a really bad mindset. But I did it, and that's all that matters. I'm gonna take this quiz. It should only take me like 10 minutes, and then I'll make some food. My class won't start until like an hour later. For some reason, the quiz starts at 8 a.m. and it's only like 10 questions because it's like every week we have a quiz. And then he doesn't start class again until 9:10. Not complaining. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, after my workout, I just threw on some mascara and self tanner to get me ready for the day. I obviously had a body shower.
Jumping from cliffs so high.
Okay, it's now 9:10, so I just got into class. I'm here until 10:40, so not bad today. So yeah, this is where I will be. I'm still in my robe. I'll probably stay in my robe. Took the test. I'm gonna go on my walk now because I'm like crashing from sitting at my desk for so long. And then when I get back, I'll either start working, make lunch, relax. I don't know, but I need to get out because I'm falling asleep. Okay, let me know if this is weird. I'm just like suiting up for my walk. And I have a literal fear of smelling bad. I am putting perfume and deodorant on consistently throughout the day. Like probably like honestly every few hours, I would say. I don't know why. Like I just am like so terrified that I'm gonna smell bad apparently. Because I'm literally getting ready to go on my walk alone and I just threw on a bunch of perfume. And before I work out, I always put perfume on. Whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna go listen to a podcast and go on my walk. Hey, it's literally so cold out, but I need to wash my car, so I'm gonna do the dreaded task. Washing my car in my -10-degree weather, so wish me luck. Okay guys, it's now 12:23. That did not work. I don't know why I thought it would. By the time I put any water on it and got back to that spot, it was complete ice and frozen. So like it's a little bit cleaner, but it's still pretty messy. So until my dad comes home and can help me, it's not gonna get washed. And you might be thinking, Mackenzie, just go to a car wash. Yeah, I have a soft top, so I can't really do that. In the meantime, I'm gonna read a chapter of microeconomics, and then I'll probably make lunch. I'm having a salad, as per usual. At least I change up. Like I have a salad every day, but I'll change up which salad I have. So, you know, just yeah. But I'm gonna read this for a while, and I will update you guys when I'm eating lunch.
Addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it 'cause I want
Just a big ol' salad for lunch. It's like a tahini vibe, so snack time.
I'd do anything to be in your arms again.
So I just did 2 rice cakes with almond butter and coconut yogurt and a few cacao nibs on top. It looks bizarre, but I swear it's good.
Baby, give me a sign.
I want to be honest with you guys as I'm gonna document my way through this. Part of this plan is I have to have 2 snacks in a day, one in the afternoon and one at 9. And today I really struggled with this 9 p.m. snack. I had like a full breakdown, and my mom luckily was really amazing and there with me. And it's just gonna be really hard, especially I was just overthinking everything and thinking about, you know, how this is gonna affect my body, and it just, the fact that I had a breakdown over a snack really shows that I'm doing the right thing and getting help. But it was just a really hard night. But I'm trying, and I tried my best, and I'm just gonna keep going, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm editing this right now, and I obviously didn't want this video to end with that sadness. Yeah, that was just a hard night. That was last night, so I'm actually uploading this literally the next day. So, hey guys, yeah, things can be really hard, recovery is really hard, and I obviously don't want you guys watching this to feel bad or real sad. I just want to document it because it's helpful. So yeah, last night may have been hard, but that's okay because I have other nights to be better and keep going. But yes, let me know if you guys want to see more about, you know, what I'm going through, or if you're like, Mackenzie, shut up, I don't care. Totally get it too, and we'll just keep going with the vlogs. But yeah, let me know what you want to see. I hope you guys are having a marvelous morning, afternoon, or night, whenever you're really watching this. And keep smiling.
I belong